Merchandise licensing is a lucrative business opportunity that allows you to sell products featuring popular brands, characters, or logos. But how exactly do you get an official merchandise license? This video will guide you through the process, highlighting key steps, legal considerations, and potential pitfalls to avoid. Let's start with the basics. Before you can obtain a merchandise license, you need to establish a legal business entity. This could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or corporation. Each structure has its own advantages and requirements, so choose the one that best fits your needs and consult with local authorities about necessary permits and licenses. Now, what exactly is merchandise licensing? It's a legal agreement where a brand owner grants permission to another party to use their trademarks or intellectual property on products. This arrangement allows businesses to sell branded merchandise legally while paying royalties or licensing fees to the brand owner. There are several types of merchandise licenses to consider. Character licensing covers movie, TV, and cartoon characters. Brand licensing allows the use of established brand logos or trademarks. Event-based licensing is for special occasions like sports tournaments. Corporate licensing involves businesses licensing their brand to third-party manufacturers. And celebrity licensing allows the use of a public figure's name or likeness on products. To obtain a merchandise license, start by identifying the owner of the trademark you want to use. Conduct market research to ensure there's demand for the products you plan to sell. Then approach the trademark owner for permission. You may need to obtain a resale license and familiarize yourself with sales tax collection procedures in your area. Creating a merchandising license agreement is a crucial step. While you can find templates online, it's often more efficient and safer to work with an experienced attorney. They can help navigate the complexities of licensing law, negotiate terms, and ensure your agreement covers all necessary aspects. Be aware of common legal considerations and pitfalls. These include maintaining trademark and copyright compliance, understanding royalty and payment structures, adhering to quality control requirements, and managing renewal and termination clauses. Unauthorized product alterations, inaccurate sales reporting, and missing renewal deadlines are common mistakes that can lead to legal issues or financial losses. Once you've secured your license, it's time to focus on marketing and selling your licensed merchandise. Consider using online sales platforms like Shopify or Amazon, as well as exploring retail distribution opportunities. Maintain brand compliance in your marketing efforts and consider creating limited edition or seasonal releases to drive demand. In conclusion, obtaining an official merchandise license involves several key steps: forming your business, understanding licensing agreements, identifying the right type of license for your needs, negotiating terms, and ensuring legal compliance. By following these steps and avoiding common pitfalls, you can establish a successful licensed merchandise business. Remember, while the process may seem complex, the potential rewards in this multi-billion-dollar industry can be significant for those who navigate it successfully.